We're going to review this Biolite Firepit that we got, and we just tried it for the first time last night. We liked it so much we thought we'd just do a review. So what I'm holding here is the fan blower unit, and so basically what happens is the fire pit's right here. There's these tubes that go along the side of the fire here with holes in it, and the fan blows through the thing right here on the side, and then it actually hooks up to your phone through Bluetooth and lets you control the fire. You can also hook a USB in the side to charge your phone off of it. Biolite makes all these wonderful little fire products. So it clips on really easily. You just put it on the rack, and then there's a button. You just push it down, and it just clips right in like that. So when you want to run it, you can just turn it on. So then you just pair. So now we can go medium, and you'll hear the fan pick up. And you can see the it's blowing things around, and we'll go up to max here. It actually gets really aggressive. And it's all just controlled right from your phone, so you can just turn it right off. It's very simple. So it's got this neat, nifty little grill. In our city, you have to, you're not allowed to have a fire pit. However, you're allowed to have a cooking device. So the grill that attaches on makes it basically a barbecue, which means we can cook with it and legally have a fire pit in our backyard. The grill's pretty neat. It just slides right across. There's a little catch to stop you, so you can put the food here, wait for the fire to die down, or you can control the heat with your phone, and then just slide the food right back across. Cooks great. So we've got everything ready to go here. We're going to light it in a little bit. The sun's about to go down pretty soon. But we just started off with a lot of mostly small sticks. That's probably the biggest one in there, and a bunch of paper. You can just turn the thing on, and then the air will just feed the fire itself. So it lights really, really fast. Okay, so it's getting darker. Let's light the fire up. Let's get some paper we put in there lit. So now what we can do is we can take the app. Let's just connect to the fire pit again. And then we can just we can put it on the low. And it's going to just start the fire. So you can see the flames are picking up already. We'll show what the difference is in a second here once it's really caught. So I'm putting it up to medium now. You can see it like really just responds. We'll put it up to high. And then we'll put it right on the max. It's really effective. It works super well. And that's how quickly a fire can start. Okay, so we're going to go through, we've got a bunch of logs that we put in. We're going to go through the different levels again, now that it's more. Before it was just little sticks. So here's low. We'll let the fan ramp up a little. It gets pretty crazy on max. Let's go to medium. We just put fresh wood on too, so it's going to catch pretty quickly. Here's high. One of the things is on max, it burns so hot that all the smoke almost gets burned. So you can see like there's very little smoke that actually comes off it. So this is one of the features. They say it's like smokeless. So what works really well I've found for the food is there's a little bump right here that stops it from going off. So just put your food over that, past that bump if it's kind of hot, and then you can kind of do this and then like move it along, and then if the flames get too high, you just move all your food right off. It's quite convenient. I think it's at a pretty good thing to cook right now.